To log in into HSBC Bank Online in mobile application. Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can log in into HSBC Bank Online. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to install the application. So open a Play Store in your device. Navigate to the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for HSBC mobile banking application. Now, according to your reason, you have to install the application. Tap on the application and install the application. Once the installation is complete, you have to open up the application, tap on the agreement and then tap on I agree. After that, you will have an option to sign in or register. Tap on that button. After you do that, you'll be taken into sign in page where you'll be asked to enter your username that is associated with your account. Type in your correct username. In case if you forgot your password, there will be link provided. Tap on the link and that's going to help you recover your username. Once you're done with username, tap on continue and on the next prompt you'll be asked to enter your account password. So make sure you type in your correct password. Once done, tap on sign in and with that you'll be logged in into your HSBC online banking account. That's it. That's how you log in into HSBC Bank Online to the application, and that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, feel free to drop them down. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.